Coroner's inquest into the controversial death of the Dowen College student Sylvester Oromoni last year has kicked off at the Magistrate Court in Lagos. Though the state government has decided not to prosecute the accused school staff and students, their lawyers also attended Saturday's proceedings. Our correspondent, Kemi Fola-Adeyemo, reports.
Mr. Falano, a senior advocate of Nigeria, opened his address expressing dissatisfaction with the DPP's release of its legal advice to the public, as well as the latest public statements of the outgoing Commissioner of Police, Hakeem Odumosu, on the matter. He also set the family's request to the state and police to be availed copies of the autopsy report, as well as the police statements and other relevant documents wherein granted. In response, the State Counsel, Akingbola George, said the legal advice wasn't leaked to the press as alleged, but forwarded to the police SCID at Banti and the court as required, and that anyone interested should apply through those courts for copies. On his part, CSP Oseni Razak, representing the police, said he wasn't privy to any information by the police boss or during the handling of the family's request. This prompted the magistrate to issue an order directing the Commissioner of Police to immediately oblige all interested parties with the needed information. The court also said it would at some point consider the Oromoni's request for the court to inspect the school facilities, including the sick bay where the late Sylvester was allegedly treated in November 2021 before he was handed over to his parents. The Nigerian Bar Association was also ordered to apply formally to the court to appear in the inquest as an interested party.
We want to get involved in the proceedings on grounds of public interest. We want to observe and we want to report the truth of the proceedings, as it were, where need be and where necessary, and to bring about necessary clarification if there is and if there will be at some point to Nigerians. So basically our intervention is on grounds of public interest solely.
Hearing was adjourned to January 21, 27 and 28 for witnesses to present their evidence, starting with the side of the grieving family. A significant portion of the proceedings, as stressed by the magistrate Mikhail Kadri, was that parties must refrain from making public comments on the matter. And in his response, the counsel representing the Oromoni family, Femi Falano, a senior advocate of Nigeria, agreed that the coroner must be allowed to take charge of the entire proceedings without any external influence, adding that only the court can make a decisive pronouncement as to the true cause of death of Sylvester Oromoni Jnr. Kemi Fola-Adeyemo, TVC News, Lagos.